Well, we're just about to move this one into the win column for you. However, we'd have a couple of more items to manage before that happens. One is the appraisal, and two are the inspection repairs. First, the appraisal. Remember, it's ordered by the lender, and the results belong to the buyer. So the seller and their agent do not see any of those details, unless the home does not appraise for sales price or it needs repairs. Those are called appraisal requirements. What all parties want to hear from the buyer's lender is that the property appraised and no repairs are needed. Second are the inspection repairs. Most repairs should be completed by competent professionals, and I'll make sure we either provide those receipts or get those receipts for that buyer for any completed work. This is really a difficult part of the transaction, which is tough to manage for a lot of agents. However, this is the behind the scenes work that I like to do that I believe is critical to make sure all parties come to the closing table with a positive state of mind. Let's continue to do what we've always done. Stay calm, communicate, and finish on a high note. So that way, we'll feel good about moving everyone's lives forward. It's great to have you as clients, and I know we'll talk soon. See ya!